I love coming to play at the Work Experience Center. Please help me insert some coins. Would you help me choose one?
Flight attendant.
Yay! Let's play.
Help Momo put on her outfit. Flight attendant uniform. Scarf. Suitcase.
I'm a flight attendant. I help passengers solve any problems. Welcome to this baby bus flight. We hope you will have a pleasant journey with them. Please place your luggage in the correct overhead bin. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please put your seat back in the upright position. Please secure your tray table. Please raise your window shade. We are about to take off. Please turn off your electronic devices. The flight is now cruising. We will be serving meals and drinks and providing other in-flight services shortly. Please dispose your garbage in the garbage bins. We have arrived at our destination. Thank you for flying with Baby Bus.